I didn't get to do a good morning. Good morning. Oh, darn it. That's no good. But the good news is, it rained enough to where everything got water, including, oh, I guess we're ready to harvest a few of these. Let's do it. Still gonna sneeze. I got some new mosquito ammunition, so can't wait. Still got die off on this thing. Let's see. Get that plant. There we go. Whoop, drop. There we go. But it's still pretty prolific. This is all rainwater. Too hot for this guy. Kind of got a bungee cord thing going with him. All right. I didn't turn irrigation off, and so some things just got extra water today, didn't they? Let's hope they're okay. My little goodies. Oh, look at you. Gosh, look at that color. I love it. What do you think about these hydrangeas? I know. So we know the Thompson seedless over there were harvested. I've been snacking on them. They were very small. And these guys are just, waiting to turn red. That daylily is absolutely gorgeous. Even if it... Where's your nest? Oh, look. Can you see that butterfly? Where is it? Right there. And there's a bumblebee right above it. And then this character. Where's your nest? We know you have one, sis. Because why are you just sitting here every day? Can I walk this way? I don't want to disturb a nest or whatever. Okay. Anyway, I want to just show you the colors of these. Oh my goodness gracious. Even if they are leaning forward and it's not their best, aren't they beautiful? Oh my. Ooh. Yeah, so I missed the big rainstorm today. I actually could see it on my Ring camera. Oh, so beautiful. What a pretty color. Somebody's walking. Where's my pigeon? Well, pigeon would like me to, dove would like me to step out. Where do you want me to go? Where's your deal? Let's can we figure that out and then I'll avoid it? Where would a nest be, guys? Where is this bird nested? Cute little watermelon growing. Glad to see that. Where's your nest? Huh? Speak. I lost another melon in there. Lost one here. Just could be the heat, Could be the heat. I really ought to tie those up, but there's a couple potentials. Gotta focus. But we'll find out. Bug in my eye. There's a swallowtail butterfly. Where do doves nest? Is it up high? Where's your nest? You wouldn't be just walking around if you didn't have a nest. Where's your nest? Just show me where it is. Alright, I'm not going to ruin it. Where'd she go? There she is. Where am I not supposed to be? You're not really going very far. Did you nest in the bed? No, you'd have to nest up high. You're a bird. What are you doing? She's in focus. Buddy has come to visit. Hi there, little bud. Let's see if we can get a close-up on him. Look at you being so cute. What you doing, huh? You watching me water? Yeah? It's hot. It's already 90-something. I'd sprinkle you, but I'm afraid you'd take that as some form of aggression. Where'd you going? There you are. I see you. I see you in the mulch. He's still right in there. I gotta go back to watering. So I can go inside in my air-conditioned house. What's he doing? Laying down flat? I had a rotten watermelon over there inside one of the bags. I haven't had that before, so I tend not to check them. I did a couple times in the beginning, and I just assumed they're going to grow. But this one got stuck between two of the. Let me go out. This one got stuck between two of the trellises, and he was already a little compressed, and I freed him up, but it looks like he kind of rotted from the bottom. Oh my goodness, I have got to. I've tried tying those things up. I'll have to keep trying, but maybe not today. I have a strap on them, but it looks like it's been coming loose a lot. Anyway, it is hot and just hard to get anything done. Just all I can do is really water. I haven't been in the garden for quite a few days, really, other than just throwing some water, supplemental water on some stuff here. Oh, that's nice. These little osteopermum African daisies are blooming. I got a moss rose runaway in there. That's fun. No problem at all with that, in my opinion. I came out looking for my dove. My personal dove. Not really, but... And I don't see her, and I'm going to call her when I'm looking for her. She only shows up when I'm not looking for her. As in, she startles me. Oh, there's my little bunny. Hey, did you think I was watering you? I'm squishing some water right there. Don't need to, but just want to see if he'd move. Just doing some supplemental watering. I wonder if that melon is ready. And I've got a sunflower laying down in there. Yeah, these guys just didn't have enough support, huh? I know I've got some growing across the ground, but again, I don't even want to come out to do that. But I don't see my dove. I think if I walk up here, will she be here? She's been sitting in the beds, just relaxing, but I don't see her. Darn it. I was just getting used to her. Trying to read into why she's here. He or she. Shoot. Alright, where are you, little lizard guy? Somewhere else. Okay. Gotta water my volunteer lantana. I don't know why this is turning white. Just as soon as I got used to her, she's gone.